This question is related to the truce of Hudaibiya. When terms and conditions of truce were settled, then the initial words were like this, that this is a treaty or truce between the Quraysh of Mecca and Muhammadur Rasulullah. Suddenly the leader of Quraysh, he protested that we don't believe you to be Rasulullah, so naturally it should be omitted. And Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam immediately instructed that omit Rasulullah, just write Muhammad son of Abdullah. Khalid bhai wants to know Huzur's opinion about this.
My opinion can't be different from that of Muhammad Rasulullah sallam. He has already expressed his opinion, and that's all.
That action of Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how Huzur will interpret it?
That shows a great secular approach when you meet enemies who do not believe in anything. So if there was going to be a real peace contract, naturally the demand of the opposition was right. If they believed in him to be Rasulullah, there wouldn't be any contract or anything. There was just one thing in that case. So principally he was right, or Rasulullah should never have accepted it. The acceptance of Rasulullah proves that he was definitely right in his claim. The wrong in the essence, but in his bargaining claim he was right.